What's up guys, this is Shan Haider and today we got POCO X4 GT smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, all of the content we got in this retail box and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box itself. Here we got the name of the smartphone, POCO branding. It is a 5G capable device. Since this is a special review unit where usually Xiaomi or POCO provides the information regarding the device, that how much RAM or storage we got and the color of the device, but as you can see that in our case it is missing. The only thing we know that it comes with high resolution audio. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got the SIM card tray, ejector pin, some quick start guides, user manual, warranty card, etc. Here we got a silicone TPU case for the back panel. There is a screen protector provided separately for the display of POCO X4 GT. Usually all of these smartphone brands, they are pre-applying the screen protector on the device, but in the case of POCO X4 GT, you get it separately. It's a good thing, it's a bad thing. Good thing because if you do not want to use the screen protector, then you can just throw it away. Bad thing, if you want to apply it but do not know how to do that, then it's going to be a bit of task for you. Here we got POCO X4 GT, we got the black color one. Once again, you can see this is where they provide some information regarding the device, that IMEI number, the color, RAM, all this information. It's blank because this is a special review unit. Here we got the 67-watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. As you can see, there is no earphones provided in the retail box of POCO X4 GT. So these are the things we got inside the retail box: the smartphone, USB Type-C cable, 67-watt charger, a screen protector, a case for the back panel, and some quick start guide and user manual. And we got this SIM card tray ejector pin as well. So here on this protective film, we got some information regarding the hardware specs of POCO X4 GT, that it comes with MediaTek Dimensity 8100 chipset with dual 5G feature. It comes with 144Hz dynamic switch, dot display with X-axis linear motor. We got 67-watt turbocharging with 5080 mAh battery, and we got 64 megapixel triple camera setup with Dolby Atmos and stereo speakers. POCO X4 GT in black color. So let's switch on the device. After that, I will go through the setup process, and once the setup process is finished, we will have a look on the POCO X4 GT we got here. Now the setup is done and we are good to go with our POCO X4 GT. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a 6.6-inch display with 85% screen to body ratio. So we got a bit of bezels on the side. The bottom bezel is slightly thicker, and then we got some bezels at the top as well. In the center of the display, you will get this punch hole for the front facing camera. Right above it, we got the earpiece. At the top, we got the 3.5mm audio jack and the speaker grill. So compared to POCO X3 GT, this is an improvement, that we got a 3.5mm jack on POCO X4 GT here. At the bottom we got another speaker grill. So POCO X4 GT comes with studio speaker setup with Dolby Atmos. We got the USB Type-C port, primary microphone, and the SIM card tray slot at the bottom. Then on the right side we got the volume rockers and the power key, underneath which the fingerprint sensor is embedded. And as you can see, unlike many other smartphones where the fingerprint sensor and the power key are a bit indented to provide the distinction on the frame, the power key is a bit elevated on POCO X4 GT here. On the left side we got nothing, and as you can see, the frame is totally flat and comes with sharp edges. Now if you go to the back side, here the design is pretty minimalistic. We got the POCO 5G branding, we got the regulatory information, and then we got this camera module that consists of triple rear camera setup along with dual LED dual tone flash. The camera bump is slightly elevated from the frame, and then we got these two lenses coming out of the camera islands, so the device is going to a bit wobble if you do not use the smartphone case on POCO X4 GT. The back panel is matte finished and it looks beautiful, minimalistic and quite elegant. It is made of plastic and the same goes with the frame as well, but still it gives a bit premium vibe visually and also when you hold the device in your hand. The screen is protected by cotton Gorilla Glass 5, so it is a downgrade compared to POCO X4 GT that came with Gorilla Glass Victus. Another point to be noted is that POCO X4 GT does not come with any kind of official waterproofing, not even IP53 that you will usually find in most of the smartphones these days. At 8.9 mm thickness and 200 grams, the device is slightly bulky, but still it does not feel like a huge device when you hold it in your hand and you can easily use it without facing any issue. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, POCO X4 GT is a pretty solid device, whether in terms of build quality or design. It would be just nice if the device came with any kind of waterproofing that would make it even more attractive to the consumer, as the other hardware specs of POCO X4 GT is pretty solid in its price range. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.6 inch Full HD Plus screen with 85% screen to body ratio and IPS LCD screen with 144Hz refresh rate that is also Dolby Vision certified, and it comes with up to 650 nits maximum peak brightness. The PPI you will get is 407, and because of that the display quality is really nice. It is sharp, the viewing angles are great and the colors are quite punchy as well. So even though it is not an OLED display, it comes with pretty solid specs, as we got a 144Hz refresh rate display in our hand that also supports HDR10, Dolby Vision, protected by Gorilla Glass 5 and provides 407 PPI. Since this is an IPS LCD display, there is no always on display you will find on POCO X4 GT, but other specs are pretty solid. The touchscreen sensitivity is really nice, and you get the option to select between the 60, 90, 144Hz fixed refresh rate as well. Now talking about the software side, the POCO X4 GT comes with Android 12 and Xiaomi's MIUI 13.0.1. Out of 128GB storage, we got 23.4GB is preoccupied, so user available storage is around 104GB, and it comes with 8GB RAM and 3GB virtual RAM that is already included, as you can see here in the spec sheet. Xiaomi's MIUI is very feature rich. It comes with lots of options that you can use to improve your productivity on Xiaomi and POCO smartphones, and the same goes with POCO F4 GT as well, as it comes with lots of software based features that you can use to improve your user experience on this device. On the home screen you will find a set of Google applications in the Google folder. It also comes with some nice and useful applications like voice recorder, compass, share me, we got FM radio, and it comes with Quai, Netflix and some games pre-installed. The good part is that if you're not interested, you can uninstall all of these games as well. So even though we got few bloatwares on POCO F4 GT, they can be removed very easily if you are not interested in any of them. The user interface is very smooth and you will get lag-free experience thanks to the MIUI 13 and the 144Hz refresh rate display we got on POCO X4 GT. But the most contributing factor of the smooth performance on POCO X4 GT is MediaTek Dimensity 8100 processor that is very powerful, and you won't find it on most of the smartphones in this price segment. So considering the price of POCO X4 GT, it is one of the best performing device in its price segment for sure, and the combination of Dimensity 8100, 144Hz refresh rate display and the MIUI 13 is going to provide a smooth and fast user experience for sure. Now talking about the camera, we got a 16 megapixel front facing camera that is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. Then on the back side we got triple dual camera setup consisting of 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 2 megapixel macro lens. The primary camera can record 4K resolution videos at 30 fps, and if you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that POCO X4 GT comes with HDR AI, we got the video mode, document mode, portrait mode, we got night mode. If you go to more section, here you can see that it comes with dedicated 64 megapixel imaging mode. We got short video, panorama, vlog, slow motion, time lapse, long exposure, clone, and you can even edit the arrangement of all of these modes. So as you can see that once again the camera modes are pretty rich on POCO X4 GT. Of course it is missing few of the other camera modes. The few things missing here is that you cannot record 4K resolution videos at 60 fps, and in the ultra wide angle lens mode you can record only full HD resolution videos up to 30 fps. So here I'm just giving you a quick idea that what all camera modes and features we got on POCO X4 GT. I will make a separate video in which I will talk about the camera performance of the device in depth, also in the detailed review video of the POCO X4 GT, but right now I'm just gonna skip this part here in this video. So overall POCO X4 GT is looking a very solid entry in its price segment, as it comes with very powerful flagship level Dimensity 8100 processor. We got 144Hz refresh rate display with HDR10, Dolby Vision and 407 ppi. It comes with 67 watt fast charging with 5080 mAh battery, a stereo speaker setup with high resolution audio, and we got a pretty promising looking rear camera setup on POCO X4 GT. And then we also got the 3.5mm jack on the device. The only major drawback is that it does not come with any kind of waterproofing on this device. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. Many more videos of POCO X4 GT are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.